Show Daddy again. Yeah.
Hey, Pumpkin, why are you running around with your hands on your head?
Oh.
Are you wet?
I have back.
Your back is wet too?
What else, Maddie?
Belly.
Your belly's wet?
Belly wet. Okay, belly wet.
Here, I'll turn it down so you can get your belly wet.
Yeah.
Okay, there, it's down. Now you can walk into it. Okay? There you go. Look at the water dripping down there.